Everyone, myself Navyasri. I am from Shivashivani Institute of Management. Today, company review session on Tata Consultancy Services. The main reason why I have chosen the Tata Consultancy Services is whenever we hear the word Tata or the Tata groups, it is meant for the ethics and morals, and also it has a brand. Uh, TCS is a very big company with a huge customer base and a huge employee strength. Company profile type public sector company founded in the year of 1968. The founders are Tata Sons, industry IT services and IT consultancy headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Key people are Mr. Natarajan Chandrasekharan and Rajesh, CEO. TCS is the second largest Indian company by market capitalization. The Tata Consultancy Services is now placed among the most valuable IT services brand worldwide. The TCS Consultancies is a subsidiary of Tata Groups and Indian Information Technology Consultancies and the Business Solutions Company with operating in 46 countries worldwide. In the latest, TCS is the biggest software services company has added 12,000 jobs in the first quarter of the 2019 and sent offer letters for the 30,000 fresh graduates building the employment in the country. Company history: TCS is incorporated in the year of 1968. Tata Sons Limited established the company as a division services the electronic data processing requirements and provide the management consultancy services. In the year of 1971, TCS has started the first international assignment. The company pioneered the global delivery model for the IT services with the first outshore client in 1974. 1984, the company has set up the first Indian first IT and R&D division, the Tata Research and Research Development and Design Center in Pune. Later 1993, the partnered with the Canada-based software company. On 25th August 2004, TCS became the public sector company. In the year of 2005, TCS became the first Indian-based IT services company to enter in the bioinformatic market. Mission to help the customers to achieve their business objective by providing the initiative best in the class consultancy, IT solutions and services to make it a joy for all the stakeholders to work with us. Vision to decouple the business growth to ecologically footprints for its operations to addressing the environment bottom line to grow sustainably and help our customers achieve sustainable growth through our green solutions and services offered. These are the key peoples of TCS. Chairman Natarajan Chandrasekharan, the holding company and promoting of more than 100 operating companies with aggregate annual revenue for more than 100 billion US dollars. He was appointed as a chairman in the year of 2017 in Jan. Rajesh Group. Rajesh is the CEO and the Managing Director of the Tata Consultancy Services, a leading global IT solutions and the consultancy firms. He was evaluated the role of the CEO in the Feb 2017 after serving as a Chief Executive Officer. Sorry, Chief Financial. North America, wherever we point, there will be a TCS company. These are the some of the countries where the TCS offices are. North America with 21 offices, Latin America with 20 offices, UK with 28 offices, Continental Europe with 36 offices, India with 144 offices, Asian Pacific with 29 offices, Mid East Africa with 15 offices. Uh, these are the services offered by the TCS: application development, business processing, outsourcing, capacity planning, consulting, enterprise software, hardware sizing, payment processing, software management, technology, educational services. These are the major competitors of the TCS. Wipro, Tech Mahindra, HCL, Infosys. These are all are the multinational companies. SWOT analysis of TCS strength, a client for diversified markets. TCS has a client for diversified industries such as banking, financial services, retail, etc. Strategical established partnership network. TCS has established a strong partnership with the global companies around the world. uh, Geographical footprints. TCS has a strategical extent to geographical diversified markets throughout the globe. Strong portfolio of services offer. TCS has a strong and balanced portfolio to offer services with including BPS, etc. Coming to the weaknesses, legal battle. In the year of 2014, TCS has involved in the legal battle against the Epic system for the misuse of Epic system confidential information. In the year of 2016, TCS was found guilty against it and was ordered to pay the damages worth of $940 million. Discipline in the performance by Delegant. Delegant and a subsidiary of the TCS has continually performed the below part. Uh, Opportunities, digital transformation technologies. TCS is focused on the digital transformation itself and provided the digital solutions, cloud-based solutions. The world is moving towards the cloud-based solutions and has grown at the CAGR of over the 90% in the next 5 years. Machine to machine solutions. Machine to machine solution is also known as M2M solutions, are those which are allowed the wireless as well as a wired communication systems. Enterprise mobility market. These are the latest demand for the mobility solutions, which as expected to grow up in the year of 2022. Threats, immigration, repression, intensive competitions, high spy model, intensity of rivalry. The strength of rivalry is the strength in the market. It is necessary for the company to come up with the distinct and the innovative offerings. Threats of the new entrants. Threats of the new entrants is a low because of the cost of the advertisement. Thrust of substitute. The company is facing the most strong competitors from the competitors. Trust of substitutes is a very high. uh, Bargaining power of the buyers, the bargaining power also the high. The bargaining power of the buyers also high. The bargaining power of the suppliers, the bargaining power of the suppliers is also high. Pestle analysis. Political Brexit is to impact the projects in the UK and Europe markets. Prefers to technology company for the government projects in India. Economically, increasing the operating cost leads to the large workforce strength with the higher compensation. Um, Increasing the local hiring in the US and other countries to impact the cost structure. Social. Tata Groups has a brand reputation and it is known for ethics, which helps the TCS wins business. Technology needs to focus more on technology products and solutions rather than just on services. Environment. TCS strategies to build green infrastructure and energy efficiency IT infrastructure. Legal penalty for the impending the lawsuit will impact the TCS reputation for the significance of penalty. Awards and recognition. Best blockchain breakthrough of the year and in the 2019 FTF News Technology Innovation Award. Artificial Intelligence Excellence Award in the Self-Awareness category in the year of 2019. TCS New York City Marathon app won the Media Post Appy Award. World Intellectual Property Organization IP Enterprise Trophy. American most community minded information technology company. Fastest growing brand of the decade in the IT services globally by Brand Finance. CSR activities of the TCS. TCS is the organization does the participate in the contributing toward the society. It takes the initiatives in CSR activities to taken up with the works across the different paths in the attempt to contribute towards the society. Recently, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the TCS Tata Trust continuous they pledge to protect the empower and all the affect communities and the committed rupees 1500 crores to support the fight against the COVID, education, disability and empowerable. Into the financial information. Revenue from operations. These all are the revenue from operations of the past 5 years since 2016 to 2020. Here we can see that from the 2016 to 2020, it has revenue from operations has increased to from 2016 it has 85,864 crores. It becomes to 1,31,306 crores. These are the stock information of TCS. NSE is TCS and BSE is 532540. Here we can see that the past 5 days of the data stocks on 23rd the opening stock price is 2520 and the closing stock is 2467 and the highest of these 5 days is 523 and the lowest is 2461.